Welcome to our YouTube channel, How to Guides. Welcome to our tutorial on how to get rid of acne scars and spots in 72 hours. Acne is a common skin condition that affects millions of people worldwide. It can be frustrating and embarrassing, especially when it leaves behind scars and dark spots that can be difficult to get rid of. But don't worry, with the right approach and a few simple steps, you can improve the appearance of your acne scars and spots in just 72 hours. Before we get started, it's important to understand that there are different types of acne scars and spots. Ice pick scars are deep and narrow, while boxcar scars are wider and more shallow. Rolling scars have a wave-like appearance, and hyperpigmentation spots are discolored areas of skin. Step 1. Keep your skin clean and moisturized. One of the most important steps in getting rid of acne scars and spots is to keep your skin clean and moisturized. This will help to prevent further breakouts and promote cell turnover. Use a gentle, non-irritating cleanser and a moisturizer that is appropriate for your skin type. Step 2. Exfoliate your skin. Exfoliating your skin can also be helpful in removing dead skin cells and promoting cell turnover. However, it's important to use a gentle exfoliant and not overdo it, as over-exfoliation can actually make acne scars and spots worse. Try using a gentle scrub or chemical exfoliant like alpha-hydroxy acids or salicylic acid. Step 3. Use sunscreen. Sunscreen is essential in preventing further hyperpigmentation and darkening of acne scars and spots. Use a sunscreen with at least SPF 30 and reapply every 2 hours if you're spending time in the sun. Step 4. Try topical treatments. Topical treatments such as retinoids, alpha-hydroxy acids, and vitamin C can also be helpful in improving the appearance of acne scars and spots. These can be found in creams, serums, and gels and can be found over the counter or by prescription. Step 5. Consult with a dermatologist. If you have severe or persistent acne, it's important to consult with a dermatologist or skincare professional to determine the most appropriate treatment approach. They can recommend options such as laser therapy, chemical peels, and microneedling. It's important to note that getting rid of acne scars and spots can take time, and there's no one-size-fits-all solution. Everyone's skin is different and what works for one person may not work for another. However, by following these steps and consulting with a professional, you can improve the appearance of your acne scars and spots in just 72 hours. In conclusion, acne scars and spots can be frustrating to deal with, but with the right approach, you can improve their appearance. Keep your skin clean and moisturized, exfoliate gently, use sunscreen, try topical treatments, and consult with a dermatologist for personalized treatment. Remember, it's important to be patient as it may take weeks or even months to see significant improvement. Keep in mind that healthy skin takes time and effort to achieve, and consistency is key. Thank you for watching. Thanks for watching and remember to subscribe for more amazing content.